Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going into the second month of the Tool Headz Crate Cheap Box Better Stuff crate service. Please, at the end of this video, leave a comment of what you thought of this video topic, as well as how the video quality and stuff was. Please let me know your thoughts. Also, if you enjoyed, hit that thumbs up. So if you guys haven't watched the first month's Tool Headz Crate, go ahead and check it out. It's in my videos. And then this is the second month of their business from Rust Belt Mechanic and JRC54. If you haven't checked out their channels, they will be linked down in the description, as well as tools that I suggest as well there on Amazon. Besides that, they went about this a very smart way. They spent as little as possible on the box and design as possible, but something that's still appealing, because most likely a lot of people are just going to throw this box away. And if you did watch the first video, you might have seen, not just my channel, but other channels as well, you might have seen people saying, oh, you know, I expected more for what you pay for it or whatever. You got to remember, this is a crate service. You pay a monthly fee and you get a box every month. And with them just starting out, their customer base is smaller. You know, they're not making a whole lot of money off of it, and they're spending their own money to get this started. So think about this as if you own the business. You got to start small and work your way up. As the customer base grows, so will the crate services. They will continue to get better and better, and then every month will be a nice little surprise. So just stick with it. I really think a lot of people are going to enjoy this. I think this is a really good crate service. So let's dig in. So first up, you're going to get your little letter. The first one, you know, you got the same thing, obviously a different letter, but pause it if you want to read it. Once again, you're going to get a couple shop rags, which, yeah, some people might be, oh, you know, shop rags, I got plenty of those. You can never have enough shop rags. Never. Next up in the box, SP Tools USA is a special supporter of this crate today, so you're going to see a lot of products from them. You got the Cowhawk 30-watt soldering iron and desoldering pump. That's a pretty cool little gift. 2-in-1 tool. Then you're going to get some nice little flush cuts. These are really nice. You might have some small diagonal side cutters, but they never actually get flush, let's say on zip ties, and you still got that sharp edge to them. This is going to be a really nice tool to have for cutting those zip ties right flush. So that's really cool. Next up, well, that's pretty cool, a butane pencil torch. That's a really cool idea. I'm kind of excited to test this out. Maybe I'll do another video of testing some of these products out. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Next up, you're going to have the Cowhawk USA 9-inch Pro wire stripper and crimper. That's all the information on it. It's actually a heavy duty looking set of wire strippers. The handles are extremely heavy duty. Now that's a comfort grip. It's a nice little locking pin there. Nice stiff spring, and if you don't like the spring, you can always remove it. So that's actually a pretty nice set of strippers. And then SP Tools also includes a discount code. So on the back of this is going to be a promo code to get a discount for tools at their site. And then you get, once again, another sticker for your toolbox or whatever. Save toolbox. See your little 10mm right there. That's pretty funny. All right, and then next up, you also receive a pretty wide variety of different heat shrinks. That's actually a nice little packet of heat shrink. I use a lot of heat shrink. I like to do my wiring nicely, so that's a really nice thing to have, especially the soldering iron and stuff as well. That makes for nice clean wiring. And then last up is going to be another Tool Head t-shirt, and on the back it says missing 10mm. If found, please return to owner of this shirt. That's pretty funny. So you got a t-shirt, you got this really cool butane pencil torch. That's actually a pretty cool idea. I don't think I've seen those before. I mean I have the Power Probe butane torch, but that's kind of nifty. And then your soldering iron, flush cuts, solder, wire strippers and crimpers, heat shrink, your sticker, shop rags, 10% off, and that's it. I would say that is a really good month's tool crate. I think if you got this month's order, I think you're going to be pretty happy with it. Also, as you may have noticed, this kind of revolved around electrical work. So basically everything included in here was to do with electrical repair or anything like that. So that's kind of cool that it specifically went into one area this month. That's a really cool thing that they did. And I like how they also included some apparel, even though they did it last month. Maybe that will be a monthly thing as well. Either way, I thought that was a really nice step up from the first month. And I think as their customer base grows, I think a lot of people are going to be interested in this tool crate service. So Rust Belt Mechanic and JRC54, please keep up the great work. Keep working at it. Love the hard work. You're doing a great job on your guys' channels. If you guys haven't checked them out, once again, check out the description. Their stuff will be the link down there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed, and leave a comment down below of what you guys thought. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.